flower. Psychoactive drug. The Netherlands is the largest flower-producing country in the world, contributing about 68% of the annual flower production. The income from flower exports for the Netherlands was approximately $4.9 billion in 2023. The United States is the biggest consumer of cut flowers globally, spending $1.83 billion annually. Following the U.S. are Germany, $128 billion, the United Kingdom, $921 million, and Russia, $554 million. The global floral industry is estimated to be worth around $104.8 billion. But what is the most demanded type of flower in the world? Roses are the most demanded type of flower worldwide due to their beauty, fragrance, and symbolism of love and romance. There are over 300 species and thousands of cultivars of roses. They come in various colors, shapes, and sizes, making them one of the most diverse and beloved flowers in the world. As for the most popular type, the hybrid tea rose is often considered the most popular. It's known for its large, well-formed blooms and long stems, making it a favorite for bouquets and floral arrangements. The world's largest flower garden is the Dubai Miracle Garden in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It spans over 72,000 square meters and features more than 50 million flowers and 250 million plants. It's a stunning display of floral artistry and a must-visit for any flower enthusiast. And also the biggest flower festival is held at Keukenhof in Lisse, Netherlands. Known as the Garden of Europe, Keukenhof is one of the largest flower gardens in the world and features over 7 million flower bulbs planted annually. The garden is open to the public for an 8-week tulip display from mid-March to mid-May. Ornamental flowering plants can be divided into several categories based on their growth habits and characteristics. Here are some common categories. Annuals, plants that complete their life cycle in one growing season like marigold and petunia. Biennials, plants that take 2 years to complete their life cycle like sweet William. Perennials, plants that live for more than 2 years and flower multiple times like gladiolus. Bulbs, plants that grow from bulbs and typically flower annually, for example, tulips. Shrubs, woody plants that are smaller than trees and have multiple stems like roses. Climbers, plants that grow vertically by clinging to structures like clematis and wisteria. The biggest flower in the world is the Rafflesia arnoldi. This flower can grow up to 3 feet, about 1 meter in diameter, and can weigh up to 15 pounds, around 7 kilograms. It is known for its strong odor, which is similar to that of rotting flesh, earning it the nickname corpse flower. The Shenzhen Nongke orchid is the most expensive flower ever sold, with a price tag of around $290,000.